Hi guys, Ross Dyson here, the owner at Solar Tech Elec in Florida. So we're out here in Treasure Island today for one of our clients who was originally paying $500 a month in electric. We came out here, installed solar, and he's now at zero power bill. He never pays Duke Energy ever again. They also got a 26% tax credit on their total amount. If you also want to take a look at the meter, you can actually see the meter spinning backwards, feeding back into the grid, which will credit them for net metering credits, which they can use in the evening when the system turns off. We've got plenty of finance options now, zero down, with low APR rates as low as 1.49%. Are you looking at about 6 to 8 weeks from sign up for the install? Install takes 1 to 3 days. Something like this took a little bit longer because of the size of the system. Once the meter's swapped, you'll start generating credits, which you can then use throughout the higher months of the year, like your June, July, and August, when you've got your AC cranked a lot higher. We're currently using N-phase microinverters and all-American panels, coming with a 25-year warranty. Panels come with a 30-year warranty. Solar Tech Elec are a 5-star brand in Florida and South Carolina. You can contact us on 727-488-8634 or check out our website, solartechelec.com.